Cacapon training for Arizona Trail. This is the first time so far this year we've done it. We did a little bit of training before Christmas, but now we're gonna get hard at it again. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna do half a rock and roll. Then it looks like it's Start Me Up. And then it goes to a gravel road all the way up here to the top of the mountain. And then back down on Giddy Up. Back down to the Bat Picnic area. And then we're probably gonna go across Central. Back down and then hit this road and then come back here. So it's gonna be at least, I don't know, between 7-10 miles. So it should be pretty fun, and it's probably gonna release at least 1,000 foot of elevation. Oh, 1,500. So, and then we're gonna try out the drone, see how it works. We just got it, haven't tried it on the bikes yet, but we got a nice little mount. See how it works. All right, it's gonna be our first attempt with the drone and all these trees. We'll see how it works. Now we have like 4 or 5 videos that we've recorded and have never posted because I hate doing editing, but this drone does as well as I hope it does. I'll definitely be posting this one, I guess. So he's gonna try to do a shot, I don't know, about 8 feet off the ground, right behind him, flying through trees and turns, and we're gonna see how well it follows him. It's a Mini 4 Pro. There he goes. Well, it's following him. It's not going very fast though. But it's doing it through all these trees. Uh-oh. It lost him. All right, here he comes. Is that as fast as you can go? Take off. We want to test the limits. Oh, I guess you could hear it beeping, huh? Oh, we're gonna miss the tree. Yeah, see, it hit a vine back there because there's no leaves on it. If there was leaves on it, I'm pretty sure it would have missed it. I was doing pretty good. It looks like you just can't go very fast. Well, that took 15 minutes. All right, so the following through the trees with no leaves on it didn't work out so well. So now we're gonna try this. We have it hovering like 6 feet above the trail, and we're gonna see if the camera will stay on him but not actually move the drone. Well, here he goes. See what happens. Looks like it's facing him. Yeah. Yep. See if it makes this turn. Whoa! It just went crazy there for a second. You know, you were supposed to fly up the the switchbacks. Oh, yeah, that was good. I followed them. All right, so that works pretty well. Well, it took us about an hour, but we made it up the hill. Now we're just gonna go to the lookout point. Brand new trail. I think this one's Giddy Up. They just redid it.
Oh, Lord. I'm scared.
It's our first attempt of it. And it's awesome so far. Only done 200 feet of it. Got to get the GoPro next time. Definitely bringing the GoPro. All right, so we just did 9.6 miles. How do you feel?
Tired.
And we did it slow. The average mile per hour is just 5 miles an hour, but that was uphill. Half of that was uphill. So how long did that take us? It took us way too long. Hour and 40 minutes, but then we stopped and looked around a lot. But we're gonna need to do this a whole bunch of times before we go to Arizona. And we need to bring the GoPro next time. So we'll try it again next weekend.